Hi friends, welcome to our very first art project. Today we're going to be making a very cute penguin. Isn't he adorable? He's a round circle, 2 round eyes, a heart for his face, and then 3 triangles. First you're going to need construction paper, black and orange. If you don't have those colors, you're going to get a piece of white paper and color it with your crayons. You're also going to need a glue stick and scissors. First step is cut a circle out of your black paper. Also, cut 2 small eyes. We're going to need those. Then you're going to get your white paper and cut out a heart. And then your orange paper, you're going to use to cut out 3 small triangles. Nice. Once you have all your pieces, you're going to assemble. The heart goes on the face. Glue that down. You're going to get your 2 little eyes. Glue those down. And then get your triangles. Put 1 for his beak and then 2 for his feet. Once you're done, you're going to come up with something that looks just like that. Isn't he adorable? Alrighty, friends, send me in your other requests for more art projects that we can do together. Bye, guys.